Art is the expression of ideas and emotions through painting, sculptures, film, dance, and etc. If you enjoy the creative process, maybe you will devote your life to art. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome and welcome back. I am Paridhi Singh. This video is different from my previous one. This is because today I want to show you some of my drawings as well as painting. The reason I want to show you to them is because I have many hobbies in which one of them is art. I really love art. Moreover, I want to become better at it. I utilize my weekends in drawing and painting, and I can see that I have improved my drawing and painting skills. I have lots of my drawings and they're really beautiful. Let me show you some of my drawings. So this is my first drawing. As you can see, it has not got that much of a smooth blending, but as a first drawing, it is really beautiful. This is my next drawing. As you can see, it has smoother blending. That is because I have practiced blending before making this drawing. As you can see, it is really beautiful with mountains and birds and trees. This drawing has purple tulips in it. I have added a bit of texture and details to it. It is really beautiful as well. This is the sunset scenery. Me and my father made this together. It is really beautiful as well. This is the moonlight scenery. I want to tell you that for all of my drawings, I used oil pastel. This is a sunset scenery with a girl and a squirrel and a huge tree. I learned art from YouTube, and that's how I learned. So remember friends, you can also learn art without joining any classes. This is a drawing which has swans in it and a huge tree. And this painting is made by my father. He used poster colors in it. I used oil pastels for mine and father used poster color for him. And as you can see, it is also a really beautiful scenery. This is a drawing of a Disney princess. She's not actually a princess, she's a fairy named Tinkerbell. And I also love Disney princesses, that's why I drew these. And here is a picture of Belle, my favorite princess. So these are all of my drawings. So did you like my drawing? Please let me know in the comment section. And friends, do remember, without even art classes, you can learn from YouTube. That's how I learned it. And me and my father really love art. And that's why we draw on every weekend. If you keep practicing, you can become better at anything. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. So, this is all for today. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I post a new video. Bye bye everyone and keep learning.